Hey everyone, my name is Sal, and this is another expedition log. Today we are going to take a tour of a park that I got to know really well when I first moved down to the Baltimore region from New York. Now this park has always been kind of sketchy, and I'll get into that a little bit later. But it holds a really dear place in my heart. When I first moved down to Baltimore, I moved down to the Mount Vernon region, and I was kind of lusting after the greenery. You know, I moved down from New York and New Jersey, and Jersey's the Garden State. And, you know, I grew up around just trees and green everywhere, and I wanted that. And my parents are amazing. They were super sympathetic to this, and I never asked them. I said, hey, let's move to a place that has gardens, but they felt that. They felt that I needed that. And a kid just getting into high school, coming from the Garden State, it was a little weird. And my parents moved us from downtown Baltimore to this area, and this was one of the first parks that I actually got my teeth sunk into. And I was running through it, biking, skateboarding, jogging, and I was just exploring. And it was amazing. And coming from a place like New Jersey, where the parks are held sacred, you have a place like this. And my first thought was it was disgusting. But I was so fascinated by everything around it. I was fascinated by the grimy water and the bikes and the car seats and the tires in the water. I thought everything was so interesting, so I explored every part of it. Now, flash forward to today. This was this past summer in 2017, and I kind of got an overview of this place. And my goal for this video, I have two goals. First, we're going to take an overview of what this park looks like. And two, we're going to listen to Tchaikovsky's 1812 Overture, because it's an amazing piece of music. Now, there will be a part 2 to this video. They actually just started renovations on this park, and I have no idea what they're going to do. I don't know if they're going to fix the overpasses. I don't know if they're going to add trails. I really don't know. But as of about a month and a half ago, now right now it's January in 2018 when I'm producing and publishing this video. When I shot this video back in August, it was open still. And I wanted to get in before they did anything. Now once again, now in January 2018, they are actively renovating this park. So it will look entirely different. And in part 2, we're going to take a look at the renovations, but we're also going to look at the surrounding areas, because this park has been around for so long, and not just this area that we're looking at, but the entire trail. It's been around for a long time, and we're going to get into a lot of the history of this later. But for right now, let's just listen to Tchaikovsky. I mean, come on, let's chill out. Let's take a look at what this park is all about, and let's just take this all in, because this will not look the same. Now, I'd like this video, this part 1, to serve as the reference that gives way to part 2. Having said that, this whole plot of land, the Herring Run, it's actually a tributary to the Back River, which resides in the Essex Middle River part of Maryland. Herring Run, it's 11.1 miles long. Now, back in 1770, there was a politician, William Smith. He lived on this land, and he purchased the plot of land back in 1770. Now, of course, this land was created into, it was transformed into a state-run operation, and, you know, now the city, they have taken ownership of it. But this whole area, it's actually, it's a mess. So, looking at some of the data that's available, we can look at the crime that has stricken this area. Within 1 year, this park and the entire, the whole Herring Run Park, the entire stream, the entire acreage that has to do with this park, we've had 98 counts of robbery, 212 counts of burglary, 251 counts of arrest, 299 counts of assault, and 372 counts of theft. This place is a mess. Now, if you look through some of the reviews, people say that it's okay. I bike through here. It's amazing. I take a shortcut through here for work. It's an awesome respite from getting away from traffic. But I will tell you that this place is a mess. And there are some hidden buildings. There's at least one that I know of. And we're going to check that out in part 2. But for now, let's finish off Tchaikovsky's 1812 Overture. And I will see you guys quite soon for part 2. Thank every single one of you that did stick it through and watch this whole video. And my goal is to give a tour, to go on an expedition, and to just see what this place looks like, and to capture it before any changes come onto this place. And If there was something that you liked about the video, please like, subscribe, and set your notifications, and leave me a comment. If there's something you didn't like, please let me know. I'm always looking to make my videos better and make my content better for all you guys. And in the future, everything is going to be awesome. Take care, everybody.